Hi everyone, it's James here from Pro Tools Expert, first video of NAMM 2016. I'm here with Josh on the stand and Radar. We kind of heard about Radar Studio a little bit last year at the NAMM show, but we're now talking about the Radar platform.
That's right.
So tell us a little bit more.
Okay, so Radar had released the Radar Studio last year with the NAMM show, and they had developed a platform for making things where you could use the Radar converters and the Pro Tools software that you're familiar with all in one system together, a stable audio system that's all in one. You can use it for mobile or studio purposes. And basically when I came on board, it was to help make sure it was intuitive and working the way they had expected it to work last year.
Yep.
And so when we got into it, we realized that there were some things that for a Pro Tools user, for especially a Mac-based Pro Tools user, there's some things that just weren't quite as intuitive or as easy flowing. So we basically been going through and reforming everything to make it faster, more user-friendly, more intuitive, and more how you'd expect your quick controller to work.
Now you're referring to this, and obviously we'll get one of these to play with at some point, referring to it as the Radar platform. So it's an optimized Windows system?
It's a Windows-based computer, but it's optimized to be for your audio system without any extra background processes going on, and so you have all your processing power for your DAW.
So this box is pretty damn flexible. Obviously there are several options, and the website that I've seen looks pretty incredible for the whole kind of the builder and everything, the kind of the platform, the system configurator.
Yeah, you can customize the box a bunch of different ways. You can have it with a built-in touchscreen on it. You can have a front-facing transport. It has SATA drives, front-facing movable ports that you can customize how many of those you want to have backups running pretty much instantaneously for everything. You can customize the type of audio inputs you want. You can have MADI. You can have up to 24 analog I/O. Pretty much everything it can be customized through the builder to build exactly the machine that you need for your studio.
Absolutely fantastic. So give us a quick look at the new touchscreen platform, the kind of the screen down here.
Absolutely. So when you come in with your Pro Tools, you have the option to have a full screen controller here, where you can do everything with a multi-touch touchscreen interface. And you can have your Pro Tools running separately, or you can use it all on one screen in one touchscreen that you can purchase anywhere. And when you size down this screen, it'll automatically size up to bring in your Pro Tools, and you can switch through your mix and your edit windows very quickly and easily. You can size up and down through the different scales of our window.
Oh, I like that. That's really cool.
Quickly and easily, and you have all your functions that you would need to work fast and work intuitive. So you want to zoom in on your tracks, you have your track zooms here. You have the ability to make the actual track size bigger or smaller as necessary. You can do that universally for everybody. You can adjust the size of your actual waveforms if you're editing and you want to get in there for a finer edit.
And this is a multi-touch screen?
This is a multi-touch screen. When you bring up this mode with the faders, you can grab multiple faders at once. You can move your fingers away and still control the correct fader with the correct finger. If you decide after the fact to grab one that may be out of sequence, even though this is the left finger and this is the right finger, it still remembers everybody going towards where it's supposed to be. Shows you your appropriate values in the windows. Your pan knobs all work as you'd expect them to, like your normal interface or normal controller pan knobs. For stereo tracks, you have the option to pull up to control the left or the right pan knob in the banks of 8. We have programmable hotkeys here, or selectable hotkeys for which mode you're in for track arming. You just touch track arming and they light up accordingly for that mode, and now you're in record for those. Or you can put everybody on or everybody off. You can change the mode of that as well to go into solo. You can slide across the buttons and they all function like that. Mute mode, the same thing. Excuse me, let me turn off the solo. Mute mode, the same thing, and they light orange in that mode, and you get that there. As well as select. You can use your normal selecting like you would in Pro Tools.
So I can see one thing that's going to make a lot of users happy And that's this kind of white shiny thing down here.
Yes, sir. The white shiny thing is what makes me very happy as well. So as a Mac user, as you said, it's a Windows-based platform. So instantly, when you walk in as a Mac user, you're less familiar with the keyboard, the way it feels, the push of the buttons, your quick keys, the things that make us fast. And as an engineer, everything that makes us faster makes us better. So over here, we've integrated to make sure that your Mac keyboard works perfectly, and you can go in and use all your normal Mac functions. Let me pull that up here for you. So if we size this down, you'll see that if we were to cut this here, we could go in, we can use our normal Mac function and get our normal expected Mac response, or the quick 8 as it may be there. If we want to highlight, if we want to separate a region, you still separate your region as you would standard Mac. If you want to heal it, same thing. Everybody works and behaves exactly as you'd expect, and you can get your normal Mac keyboard, unplug it from your computer, plug it right in here, and you're ready to go.
Great stuff. So I'm really looking forward to getting one of these into the shed, into the studio to have a play with. We're already putting some great ideas together with the guys at Is. So for now, thank you so much, Josh.
Thank you very much.
I've been James from Pro Tools Expert. See you again soon for some more 2016 NAMM updates.